My name is Charlie Vargas.
Hi, my name is Gio Toledo.
Hi, I'm Hans Christian Bisuniga.
I am a second year college student taking up AB English Language.
A second year college student of Bicol University, taking up Bachelor of Arts in English Language.
I'm from ABEL Tubi.
Being in this program has proved me wrong in so many ways and so many times already, because there is this stereotype that this is just an easy program to take. With that being said, I expect to be more challenged in my junior and senior year, and that this program will teach me more of the in depth details about linguistics.
First, it was very challenging because as a Bicol University student, there is a high standard within us. But also, it was enjoyable because I'm surrounded with positive person that really helped me to understand and to cope with this course.
In my experience as an English language major, I've noticed that the professors are not necessarily strict unless it's a major. As for the environment, I've noticed that most of the population or a majority of it are bisexuals. It's not just the males either, it's also the females. And it's just an eye opener for me because I'm not used to it in my past schools, and because of that the people enjoy much more freedom in expressing themselves.
This program was actually not what I wanted at first when I applied in this university. It was only a second choice of mine. But I am glad that I am in this program because I have learned a lot about things that I thought I already knew and things that I thought I did not need to know, such as parts of language.
I choose ABEL because I believe and I think that this course will really help me to achieve my dreams and goals in life, and which is to become a professional teacher someday and have plans to go abroad. And I think it will really help me to improve my communication skills, especially in using English language.
English language was never a choice for me, but rather a plan. I planned to shift courses later in my second year, but that plan didn't go well. So right now I'm planning on staying until fourth year until I graduate.
My first goal is, of course, to graduate. I want to be a remarkable product of Bicol University, and my main goal is to be self reliant.
I have a lot of goals in life, but one of my goals is to graduate in Bicol University with flying colors, and also to find job that is suitable to my course, and to become a professional someday and to teach internationally.
As for goals, my goal right now is to align my career path with English language, quite possibly being a lawyer because English language is a pre-law or could be considered as one. I could also be a language instructor or a teacher, a writer that will, who knows if I become famous, or I could end up being a call center agent. My plans are not that concrete yet, but who knows what will happen in the future.